Hello, today I'm going to be showing you how to make this cute and magical fairy world in a jar. What's wonderful about this project is that it doubles up as a lamp and pretty room decor. I hope you enjoy this video and get crafting with me. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. These are the items you need: white glitter, miniature houses, a Tinkerbell figurine, moss, and a jar with lights in. Begin by filling your jar with moss, then sprinkle some white glitter in the sides of the jar. Just keep repeating the process until your jar is full. Now you want to make space for your larger miniature house and place that in the center of your moss. I'm just taking the smaller houses and placing them in the side of the jar with my tweezers. You want to make sure everything is pretty visible. Now I'm going to place the lights in between the moss and down the sides of the jar. Fill in any empty spaces with more moss. I've added glue to the bottom of the Tinkerbell figurine and just sticking that onto the lid. And now you're done. It's a quick and easy project that's super fun to make. I'll provide links to all of the products that I used in the description box below, so make sure you have a go at this. I love how this came out. It's super cute and makes wonderful gifts too. Check out how it looks in the dark. I love how the lights add a soft glow and make the piece look really mystical. Make sure that the mason jar you find has the on and off button located in the inside of the lid. It makes everything a lot easier. Aren't the houses so cute? You can almost imagine fairies living inside them. I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial. Please give it a thumbs up and share it with others. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and let me hear from you in the comments section below. Until next time, bye!